Hello and welcome to my channel, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're going to be talking about Springfield, Illinois. For more videos like this, also watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff, my youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games, my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10, and please like and subscribe. Springfield, Illinois. A Springfield man was sentenced to prison for distribution of heroin and possession of a firearm during an furtherance of a drug trafficking crime. David Jackson, 45, will spend 10 years in the Bureau of Prisons, followed by a 3-year term of supervised release. Jackson prepared, packaged, and sold heroin while in possession of a firearm. Also at the hearing, U.S. District Judge James E. Sherrod found that Jackson qualified as a career offender based on certain prior convictions. Jackson remains in the custody of the United States Marshal Service, where he has been since his federal arrest on June 8, 2022. The defendant pleaded guilty on July 5, 2023, before Judge Sheldon. Thank you for watching this video, and peace out till the next one.